because I'm an economic freedom fighter. These factories are going to produce what we will consume and also export. And in any country, if you want your economy to grow, you must be able to produce. I say one kasa utumi eden, who produce niama obeden, ubedi. When niama ubedi, they say utumi duya bibri na one as utumi manufacture bibri na ukruna uyeden, utimunoso. And unti metiwe me economic freedom fighter. Me pese me maino. Ujai niama bibri ba sebe o crack reframa no nebano because se o crack niama frama no nebano e yisika ena wo koyeden. Odeko. You are taking money or you are changing your currency, the Ghana currency, and taking money to go and buy something from Amanone. Now they are back. In this idea, and so to me, one kasa sebe. If you can do that thing in your own space and in your own country, it is a plus for you economically. One of the pillars of the economy is being able to produce for your own self, productivity. Productivity is one of the biggest, a country being able to produce for itself. I'm an economic freedom fighter. There is a policy like one district, one factory. Government through private sector are putting up factories and reviving old factories that are dead so that we can have more jobs. Because with jobs, our youths are going to have the capacity to take care of themselves because on one kasa be ye adwuma, no one kasa pay. Enti factories no enya say de ayanka say ye be consume keke na brain and I say ete ye niama ye krafra manone no so na mbom esan so de adwuma bre mabunu no ama babunu no nya adwuma ye ama sika ba omo nsem na omo so matumi de ayeden omo de akyehye omo daache. Enti say we economic freedom fighter. Now we catch them say government the one district one factory aba. Now we catch them say sa government ni mo yanko eku di time fentu na kire baby a we free ba. O pese NDC ba power keke. Say the be a ubenya baby ashe. You are not about Ghana. Because you are champion in say and kolenya jumanya. These are the things you are saying. You want the kids to have a job, you want Nkolano to get a job, you want Nkolano to get a job. That is fine. Now there is a factory which will bring what? Which will bring jobs. So one district, one factory should be something. And Kamene Oliver Wemavoa and I would have put more pressure on the government to build more of these factories and also to resuscitate those ones now that has been, depleted or otherwise immobile. But instead, we rather hate the president now, that's a by now, or no the one district, one factory, abana. Not only say didn't nyoma ye be here or man beba na yenya biso dia kwama no ne akoton wenya foreign exchange no e de adwuma so breyen adwuma de breyen e bi ne sen akuafo ebekwa akofa raw material de aba ebenya adwuma akuafo ebekwa akofa raw material ne de aba ebenya adwuma one ya wo mo be process raw material no so no wo mo so anya adwuma ade a ye de sa raw material ne be ye no eno so no e create adwuma. One year a beba fan wholesale any juma. 1 year beba to every wholesale for no akoton so any juma. One more beba to every store. Edia come bojo con tabletop so akoton no so almost when juma. So you can see the effect of factories if they are properly built and properly situated. You can see the impact it can have on unemployment. If our problem is reducing the unemployment gap, if the freedom fighters really claim say unemployment bafoma, then one district, one factory should be one of the champion policies. And some could be our join say you should join. But no, they know. Ghana Airport Company na sika yenya say the way who omunya oil no munya ade na hobeye viable internet de say yenya say yebenya aerodrome wa e ba na critical e betum de ayeden e de afa ne aman de afa passengers de aba na business etumi akoso ho. Then all you needed to do as a government was to supervise it like Akufo Addo has done in Kumasi to make sure say the project comes to a completion. You are not able to do that. You are not able to do that. And then you go and commission it. Not plain M2. You commission it because the people there don't even understand what an aerodrome is, or they don't understand. You're taking them for granted. Oh, wait a minute. Airport here. This is how they see us. This is how NDCC are. Because if you have respect for your constituents, you will not go and do that shabby thing and call it, say, you have opened an airport for them. It's very dishonest. But again, like I said, the Ghana man is not about moving Ghana forward. The Ghana man is about moving his stomach forward. That is why most of them who are before I do train, I joined when it's him and I said, who see that when the Yemen and Funya can say, now, back to Oliver Omevona Semnibio. I'm an economic freedom fighter. My government was under IMF. Now my government is no longer under IMF conditionalities. Me economic freedom fighter. Me say no, we should go and do a coup d'etat. What sense is that? Me ma buying wohono. Ye call IMF conditionalities. I say me economic freedom fighter. Obi ebe yi me free IMF ho. Yet me say the away yi me free IMF no mo yenti yanko ye coup d'etat amfentu no. Na Ghana ni support to side we. Mama papa nya sabe ne wo. Let's be real. What is the sense in it? Metiwe, I want jobs for the youth. I don't think a policy like one district, one factory is something I should embrace. Where you know what we come no, I will say about the seno, no one nunum, fine boy, no, they are cutting a radio station. Near my working in Nyansen because the Nyansa will me to way. Last, maybe some question way. Now, I want you people who are critical thinkers to think with, like, just think with me. I'm an economic freedom fighter. I want my economy or I want my country to do better economically. I want the hardship in my country to reduce. For hardship in my country to reduce, any right-thinking person would look at something we call jobs, because it's the jobs you do that would actually give you the money in order for you to take care of your bills and also let you prosper. Because I don't see, unless I'm robber, I don't see how you are going to be able to generate money to get that economic freedom that you are looking for. So take it this way. A simple analysis of Oliver Wemavoni Jimmy na Ujimi na Ghana for no support no radio. Me economic freedom fighter. Time wana me presidential staffer no. Oliver no, the also coup d'etat mra Ghana no. Time wana oye presidential staffer no. Na Ghana ya membu no eshe Bruni ensa. Tieniye. Oye economic freedom fighter yo yate. Opese Ghana ye economically yo yate. Oman sube ye economically ya. Se ni muni pani benye adwuma ye. Na ometumi atua omokoda. Na omoso menye bi de easy hardship. It's what I mean I determine say economically you are free. President and his wife. Etumi kojiska. Na yasi ye diskane koye see. Na at the end of the day ya divert sa loan and ya de foforo. Now Akufo Addo comes. Okoji loan so the we are and no de. Or yes, so uwie a commission my near juma. Unlike in Crawford, almost commission, yeah, so nothing, nothing happened. Yeah, well, on the catcher and say, whole airport, a duly commissioned, you yate. Plain and to order 6 years. But they claim it was duly commissioned. Yeah, container. And the day you be too, so on your catcher said that is control tower.